Manufacturing has changed a lot in the past 10 years, and it leaves us with the question, what's better, a robot or a cobot? Today, we're going to be talking about the definitive answer as to which is better for your shop. Let's get started. This is a cobot, or a collaborative robot. Cobots are robot arms built to be lightweight and portable. They have built-in force and tension sensors so they can be worked directly with by humans. Now, cobots like this are best for shops with high-mix, low-volume production. This is an industrial robot. They're built for high-volume, low-mix production. They require more programming and more safety precautions, but they can produce parts at a much faster rate, especially identical ones. So what are the differences between robots and cobots? Well, let's start with safety. Cobots tend to be safer because they have built-in sensors to detect touch, while industrial robots require safety shields and extensive protection. Now, what about cost? Cobots are on the lower end than robots. Cobots can span from about $40,000 to $100,000 for a full welding cobot setup. But for industrial robots, they can span from about $100,000 to $200,000 for a full industrial robot setup. Now, let's talk about production speed. Robots win this race. Industrial robots can produce parts faster than cobots, especially when the parts are the same. Robots are built for high volume, low mix parts, while cobots are built for high mix and low volume parts. Now, what about ease of use? Cobots are built to be easy to use. They have the welder in mind, but industrial robots, they require training and programming to use. Both of them have their benefits, but what's the definitive answer for which is better? Let's find out. So what's the definitive answer as to what's better, a robot or a cobot? Well, it depends. If your shop is looking for something to help produce high volume but low mix parts and are willing to put in some time to train it, an industrial robot will be best for you. But if your shop has high mix, low volume and wants to get something implemented quickly, cobots are easy to learn and quick to train people to use. So a cobot is going to be best for your shop. If you're on the fence as to which machine to get, you can actually schedule a demo today for your shop on SwitchWeld.com. Lastly, if you've enjoyed the video, leave a like, or if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.